Hare Krishna to one and all present over here. Today we are in the special dham of Barsana itself, which is known to be the abode of Srimati Radharani. Today we are here in Anjana Lok, which is the house of Indulok Lekha. And over here you can see the Anjana Kund. There is a pastime behind the Anjana Kund that occurred in which Lord Krishna himself offered kajal to Srimati Radharani, and this caused Srimati Radharani's eyes to water. So basically this entire lake has been formed by the tears of Srimati Radharani. As all of you can see, this is the Shri Shri Radha Anjana Bihari temple. Now we'll look at the deities and we'll also get to know the significance of this very temple. As all of you can see the deities, these are the Shri Shri Radha Anjana Bihari deities, and the significance of this temple, as you can see, is this rock. This is a very rock from which Lord Krishna extracted the kajal and gave it to Srimati Radharani. If you rub the rock properly, you can actually extract its kajal. And as you can see, my finger has become grey, and this is a kajal remnants from this rock. Krishna everyone, today we are in Bandir 1. As all of you saw the compound paintings, there are different leelas of the Lord. Over here, Srimati Radharani and Lord Krishna secretly got wedded by Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma was the Purohit who wedded Lord Krishna to Srimati Radharani. As you can see the deities, now we'll take a look at the speciality of this place. As you see these trees are actually 4 different trees, but I've merged as one. These trees are nothing but the mandap of the Lord, where Srimati Radharani and Lord Krishna got wedded. As you can see, this is one, that is the second one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and behind is the fourth one. And as you can see, there is some space between them, and all these 4 trees look like pillars. Therefore, they form a mandap-like structure. And this is where Srimati Radharani and Lord Krishna got wedded by none other than Lord Brahma. And this is Bandir 1. Hare Krishna. Krishna to one and all present over here. Now we are in a very special place. This place is known as Utkal. This is where the Damodar Leela took place. The Damodar Leela is when Lord Krishna tried to steal butter and he got caught by his mother Yashamati Maya. After he got caught, as punishment, Yashamati Maya decided to tie him to a stone mortar. A mortar is a device that is used for grinding any sort of food. As soon as Lord Damodar was tied to the mortar, Yashamati had less rope, due to which she had to take extra rope. But eventually the rope got exhausted and she couldn't bind Lord Krishna to the mortar. But Yashamati had pure devotion and love. That's why Lord Krishna allowed her to tie him to the mortar. After that, Lord Krishna started crawling and he got stuck between 2 trees. These 2 trees were known as 2 twin trees, and they were none other than the 2 great personalities, Nala Kuvera and Manigrava. Nala Kuvera and Manigrava were sons of Kuvera, and they got cursed to become twin trees after they were intoxicating on a holy a pond, and Narada Muni came to them and they didn't even bother to pay obeisances. So Narada Muni had cursed them to be naked forever. That's why they came in the form of two twin trees, and they would only be relieved from the curse when Lord Krishna broke him. Therefore, when Lord Krishna got stuck with a mortar between those two trees, he pulled the mortar with all his force and eventually brought all these trees down and relieved Nani Kuvera and Manigriva from the curse. This place, as you can see, this is a remnant of the very mortar which Krishna used to relieve Nani Kuvera and Manigriva. And these are the lotus feet of Lord Damodar. Damo means rope and Udar means stomach. And this is the starting point of the Char Dham. As you can see in the picture, this is Lord Damodar being tied by his mother to the wooden motor. Yeah, as you can see in this picture, Lord Krishna has revived Nale Kubera and Manigriva from the curse, and Nale Kubera and Manigriva are paying obeisances to him. One more important place is the Yashamati deity over here. Yashamati Maya performed many austerities and tapasya over here. Today we are in the holy river of Yamuna itself, where Lord Krishna used to spend his childhood days over here playing in this very river. And now we have the Vrindavan Chandodriya Mandir, Shri Radha Krishna Chandra deities over here. As you can see, the deities are here for a Nauka Vihari. And now we will observe the deities.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare